Hello investors, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll check how has the week gone by. So as I've told in my previous videos that was a good support and the market was around this level today. And I expect if market has to fall, it should fall around 1800 128, or it should at least retest this price and go up. I don't think market should go below this level. If market goes below this level, we can see a correction up till here, then uptrend, because we are in a very good shape and good environment. So I expect market to not fall much, especially the mid caps and small caps. We'll come to that part soon. So we can see Nifty has returned of almost around, let me check how much returns. It's 18700 to 18500, around -1% it has given returns from the last 1 week. So and it is also forming clearly low highs and lower lows, you can see. And if you're a Nifty buyer, you should only buy when a Nifty forms higher high higher lows, this kind of pattern. Look, I can tell you how it will go. It will go like this and this and this. You should buy only above. Wait, let me tell you. Look, as you can see here, market is in clear downtrend. Now you want market to be like this, so you should buy once the base is formed like this and it's showing lower, not lower highs, higher highs and higher lows. So you should not be a buyer here. You should wait for a base formation here or here, and then an uptrend like higher high, higher lows like this. Then only you should get into the Nifty thing. So next we have is Bank Nifty that has outperformed the Nifty in the last 1 week only because of PSU banks. PSU banks have been uptrend from last 3 to 4 months. No, not 3 to 4 months, 3 to 4 weeks, and it has been a great performer so far. I like a few companies. I hold few companies like Canara Bank, Karnataka Bank, etc. And I think it's overheated right now, so I won't take any new positions. I will hold, but not sell. But I expect a correction until here. Until this crosses, we are safe. We don't want a close below this level. That is 41794. So I will hold my positions as I know the next 2 to 3 years of banks will be so good that many have not imagined. So next we have is CNX IT, which I told will perform good in the next year. Has not performed yet, but I expect this fall to be not go to here. I think it will go like this and consolidates here and then breaks out. Let's see how it goes. I like few IT companies as I mentioned in my previous videos. Do check it and check the fundamentals. I have told you the technicals, how it works. So it is not a buy here actually. You should buy only above now, above this price level, or if it consolidates here, like 1 or 2 weeks it consolidates here and then tries to go up with a good volumes. So next we have is private banks. It has consolidation, has done consolidation a bit here. So I don't like many private banks, but only two private banks. It is ICICI Bank and IndusInd Bank. So I like these two banks only as of now. And I think the market is doing good here, and it is consolidating here a bit of time, and I think the correction will be a bit here, and then the up move will start. That will fuel up the rally in the Nifty. So next we have is CNX Metal, which has performed very good in the last 3 months, from June to now 3 to 4 months. So it has performed very nicely, and I expect the up move to continue in the coming weeks also. So do keep your eyes on the metal stocks. So next we have is Nifty Auto, which has broken its trend line today, and I am completely out of my auto stocks, which were Mahindra and Mahindra and TVS Motors. Both I have sold it with very good profits. I bought it around here and I sold now as it has broken the trend line. I bought it only here because I thought the trend line will continue and will do good. So I bought it here. I thought I will buy more if it touches here, but it has shown a good reversal. So I bought more here. So I sold right now. So I don't have any positions in any auto stocks. So next we have is FMCG, which has broken out, and I'm waiting for ITC to show me the strength, and I will buy more of ITC. I hold it currently. I like FMCG stocks. And next we have Pharma, which has been a laggard so far, so I won't touch any company so far. And next we have is Nifty Media. There is nothing, a clear cut strength. You can see it's consolidating a bit. I think the consolidating will more continue here, and then we'll try to go up. So I won't touch any stocks right now. Next we have is Nifty Infra, and Nifty Infra has done pretty well in last 5 years, as you can see. It has given an outstanding returns from COVID bottom and has formed inverted head and shoulders and broken out, and now trying to retest the previous resistance zone. I think it will retest here and then try to up move. So I like infra companies like Reliance and all. So do check it out. Next we have is Nifty Realty, sorry, Nifty Realty, which I liked but has put down now, and there is no kind of such strength as of now. So I will wait for the up move. Then only I will try to buy companies. I hold a company that is Obra Realty, and I like the stock. Also, sorry, I own IRB Infra also, and I will sell it only when it closes below this. That's my stop loss for both of the companies. So next we have is financial services like Bajaj Finserv and all. It is doing good and near it highs. Consolidating near it highs is a very good sign. So I will keep this in my watch list and go for the stocks which are in this index. So next we have is private sector enterprises, which has done very awkwardly from last 5 odd years. Like you can see, it hasn't performed anything from last 5 years. So I wouldn't touch it right now. But I think strength could come only above the high price, which is 4498. No, 4517. I will buy only above that price. So next we have is the PSU banks, which I told I liked. I holded it. I will not sell it right now, but I will hold. I think the correction has to come, but will come not more than 2 to 3%. And if it comes, a max fall will be around this till this price. So I think the RSI was overbought here. So I want the RSI around here, and then it will break out again after consolidation. So I'm not selling anything. In fact, I will buy if it goes around here. So next we have is consumer consumption. Nifty consumption has done good, double bottom, and I think it should do good above the 8012 price. Next we have is commodities. The pattern is little bit different from before, but it's almost similar to infra, as it has not done much from last 5 years, but it's trying to go and for a up move above only this price 6069. I will buy above, not 6069, 6209. I will buy only above 6209. I'll if I like the companies in this index. So next we have is, okay, I think we have finished the indices. So we'll just have a look in the small cap index and how I see it. As you can see, it is not doing pretty well as of now, and I will look to buy more companies if it closes above this price. I will go all in the small cap companies and will sell out few of my large cap companies. So next we have is the Nifty 50 small cap 50, which has given a good returns. I was telling you here also to buy it. Now it has given good 5 to 6% returns. Now fallen back. I think the retest will be around here, and then we can go for an up move. So now let's check few stocks which have done pretty well in the last 1 week. So the first stock will be Optimus Infracom, which has given around 47% in the last 1 week. As you can see, this volume is not of retail investors, it is of HNIs and mutual funds. So you should look into the stock fundamentally, not technically, as it has not formed a pretty good pattern as of now. It is just volume price run. So you should look to buy only if you like the fundamentals. And if you want to buy for technicals, you should wait until it consolidates around here. This price level 310. So next we have is Punjab and Sind Bank, which I don't like actually, but has given pretty well returns in the last 1 week. As we can see here, it has given 45% returns in last 1 week. Let's check the yearly chart. Okay, as you can see, as I told you that the all-time high stocks will always perform better if they broke out and took retest at the resistance level. The same has worked here also. If I have to buy it, I will buy on the retest and then will buy again when it gives a good up move and consolidates, and then trail. So this has been a journey if you had followed these steps. I haven't bought this because I don't like the company. A little bit shady management, so I didn't bought it. So next we have is Next Media Works. Not a good pattern. So next company we check. Let's go to SEPC. Mm, Circuit stock. So I wouldn't try to check it now. Let's go to another stock. It has pretty good volume. Same circuit stock. Let's check another. That's Central Bank. The PSU banks have done pretty well, as I've told you before only, and it has almost given 30% in the last 5 days, last week. So let's check that yearly time frame and daily time frame chart. It has broken out. Let's check the 5-year chart. It is yet to broke its previous pivot level, which will be its resistance here. So you have to watch around here. If it consolidates a bit here, you should try to buy it around this level. Should hold until it bounces from here and takes a retest here, then try to buy it again here, then wait for a good up move if it follows the pattern I like. So next we have is Sarveshwar Foods, yet not a good stock. Not a good stock. VIP clothing has done very well. I can show you in the weekly chart pattern. You can see it's clear cut, higher highs, higher lows, and I really like this pattern. And this is the only pattern I was telling you about. If we get in Nifty, Nifty is currently is in this shape, and the time will come when the good base will form, and it will go on for higher high, higher low. and you have to buy it around 2 to 3 high lows. Once finished it, that like you can see one high, one high low, one high, one high low, one high, one high low. You should buy it around here if Nifty does this, as you are 100% sure that the market is trying to buy the dips. So this is a good stock. VIP Clothing has given around 27.46% in the last 1 month, 1 week. So next we go to the Lattice Industries, it's circuit stock. Won't touch it. SpaceNet, same. Milton, low volume, low volume. Let's check a good volume stock. Yeah, Kamdhenu. Kamdhenu was a good stock in last 2 to 3 years. In the last 1 year, let's check. It's a circuit stock, so we won't touch it. Let's check JNK Bank, which has given around 20% return and has given a rejection, which was obvious as it was at oversold zone, overbought zone, above 80. I don't like any stock if it goes above RSI 80. I try to book some, then I will buy around this 70 to 60 RSI levels. I won't sell it full if I was here, but I will sell around above if it crosses 80 again. So this was a good stock, has given around 20% in the last 1 week. Let's check another stock. What was Gravita India, which has broken its previous resistance. You should check the stock fundamentals, as I liked this company and I bought it near its lows, sold it. I will tell you, I bought it in 2020. Wait, let's check where did I bought it. I think I bought it once it was closed here. Yeah, I bought it around here. This price, 69 price. I bought it around here, bought again here, and sold here. So I missed this part actually. It's okay, as we it's a part and parcel of the game. You learn. As more as you learn, you earn more. So that's parts and parcel. So let's get into the next stock. The next stock we have is Vaishali Pharma. Was in my watch list here. Didn't bought it. I was busy, as I was busy last week. I should have bought it here. Would have bought it here, but I wouldn't buy it now as it's at high RSI. Above 80 is not my forte. I will only buy if it closes here. Not closes. Consolidates a bit here again. Retest here this level. I will buy this stock if it does this. Let's check another stock. Yeah, it is UCO Bank, which has very good volumes. As you can see, this volumes were very good. So you should have bought it once you have seen this kind of volumes. These massive volumes only come when there are HNIs, mutual fund investors, FIIs, and all invested in the stock. So you should buy it, not that exactly candle, but you should wait until the consolidation come and then buy it. As you can see here, there was a good volume breakout, consolidation came, and then again trying to move. You should buy it here. This is a good price level. Let's check. It has given a approx 16.27% to 6%. And Yes Bank. Yes Bank, I it was in my watch list, as you can see, but I didn't bought it, and it is very much oversold now. So I wouldn't try to touch it. I will wait till it retest it here, and then I will buy. The last stock for today is JK Lakshmi Bank. As I want to make this video a little bit shorter, I will post another video tomorrow that will be about the market outlook for the next week or so. So this is the last stock, JK Lakshmi Cement, which has given approx 13.11%. You should wait for it to close, the RSI to close around 65.70, and then try to look to buy for it. And for just a standard disclosure, that I owned the stock and I sold it around this candle, as I thought it is overbought. So you should do your due diligence, as I'm not a registered investment advisor nor a research analyst SEBI registered. So please do your due diligence. It's your own hard-earned money. Should not believe in anyone's recommendations. You are just here to learn, and you just learn. So it has given a good breakout. I think it was inverted head and shoulders. Let's check. You can see this inverted head and shoulders, and it broke out. Let's see the target of the stock. The target will be calculated like this: the breadth till its neckline, and put this in the neckline, and let's check how much it is. It is around, it should go around 1241 from here also, but I think it will take a bit of time, around 3 months, and it will do good here. Not 3 months, it 84, it should do this in next 6 to 7 8 months, but 84% is good, and this will be neglected only when it closes below this. I will buy it around this level again if it goes and consolidates here. So I think let's end this video, and do tell me if you like this video. I hope you liked it. Thank you and have a nice day.